At WinWire, social responsibility is an integral part of our value system, and we are passionate about working with purpose-driven organizations to drive change. We are proud to support SMA Nirvana, a Shankar Mahadevan Academy Trust initiative of bringing the joy of music to those in need and uplifting the spirits of people who struggle with illness, pain, or loneliness. This year marks WinWire's 15th anniversary. Thank you to our customers, partners, and employees that have made WinWire possible, and cheers to the next 15 years. Thank you for the opportunity, Shankar Mahadevan Academy.
Namaskar, this is Shankar Mahadevan, and I'd like to thank from the bottom of my heart WinWire Technologies for supporting the Shankar Mahadevan Academy's initiative called SMA Nirvana. SMA Nirvana is a program that is very dear to me and my academy because this is a place where we bring the joy of music to areas like palliative care centers for people who are terminally ill, seriously ill, for children's homes that need help and mental kind of support, and many such places where people are lonely and they need some kind of entertainment and joy in their lives. So SMA Nirvana gives them that joy. And I once again thank WinWire Technologies for joining hands with us to be able to spread the joy of music to these areas which normally does not happen. Okay? Thank you so much.